Introducing DumbDisplay, the little helper for Arduino experiments. DumbDisplay is tested to be working not only with Arduino UNO, it is also tested to work with ESP8266 and ESP32. And also, it was tested with version 1 of BBC Microbit as well, which is actually what DumbDisplay was initially developed for. DumbDisplay not only can be used as a simple serial terminal, it is a plotter as well. You can connect to DumbDisplay via serial UART, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. With the help of the DumbDisplay Arduino library, and some programming effort from you, DumbDisplay can be another level of assistance, being virtual output gadgets, and a little bit of virtual input means. For example, you can put multiple LEDs, text-based LCDs and graphical LCDs on DumbDisplay, and be able to interact with them by touching the virtual gadgets. In this way, you use DumbDisplay as brutal I/O gadgets you have not yet installed to your Arduino experiments. Hope this little app can help you. Have fun with DumbDisplay. Enjoy. May God bless you.